I'm curious too. Let's say they wanted to offer something non-medical, just something very fundamental that's going to get people in the door and be that first step to be able to work on them for a while and talk to them about whatever else they have.
Right. A lot of people in our business are kind of leaning towards the HydraFacial device, which is a aesthetic technology that's a combination of almost like, if you guys know what a microdermabrasion is, it's kind of that kind of a concept of infusions skincare products into your face at the same time. Treatments, they cost a couple $100. I don't know what the device costs. I'm guessing those devices cost $25,000 or $20,000. The prior president of Allergan, the creator of Botox, he went and took this company public. He actually raised $1 billion to acquire them and took it public on the stock exchange. And so that's kind of a big branded product that's not a injectable or an expensive laser technology that everybody's very, very familiar with. People are asking for it. You see it at the hotels and the spas and it's everywhere, but it definitely gets somebody in the door and it keeps them coming back. And it's a nice way to kind of start building relationships with people on something that's not going to cost them, $500 or $1,000. Maybe they'll spend $150 or $300 on a service. I would say that's what comes front of mind to me if I was going to offer a service that wasn't, technology or injections from the get-go.